What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, and I do not offer an investment trading program. So please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you try out the Webull brokerage app. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks with only 1 penny deposited into the brokerage account. Now, of course, you want to deposit more money into your brokerage account because you want to trade and you want to buy paper assets while they're at a discount so you can build wealth. But they're going to give you them 12 free stocks for just trying out the app. There's a link down in the description box of the video. Go click on that Webull link. Open up your new Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Guys, you got 19 days left in 2022. What are you going to do today to get yourself one step closer to your financial freedom? What are you going to do today to make sure you have a solid financial game plan in place for 2023? Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know your answer to those two questions. We got a very important day coming up tomorrow, Tuesday, December 13th. The November CPI report is coming out. And that's going to be very important, guys. Because if inflation shows that it's coming down for the second month in a row, then paper assets, the stock market is going to explode. If the CPI report shows that inflation has U-turned and is heading back upward, then the stock market and paper assets will plummet. So that report, guys, is important. We got to be ready either way. Good news or bad news, we got to have a game plan to take advantage of whatever news comes out. Personally, I'm hoping that the CPI report for November says that inflation is coming down. And that will give us 2 reports consecutively, right? That'll give us the month of October, where we saw CPI reflecting inflation was coming down. And that'll give us November, where we're seeing CPI reflect that inflation is coming down. Now, here's the big news, though. When we get into January and the December CPI numbers come out, showing inflation coming down for the 3rd consecutive month, then I believe that's where the bull market starts. Now, that's just my opinion. I got no, anything that I know etched in stone that supports that. That's just my gut feeling that inflation is starting to come down. And 3 months in a row is going to start the next bull market in the stock market. That's my opinion, guys. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think will happen tomorrow when the CPI report comes out. What do you think is going to happen? And more importantly, what are you going to do when it happens? Right? I've been getting a lot of comments in the comment section of the videos, people saying, I'm waiting. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to keep waiting. And I keep saying to myself, what in the world are they waiting on? The bottom's we've already at the bottom, guys. I mean, I'm not sure we're still waiting for what. We're already at the bottom, right? When we get that positive news that inflation is coming down, that's it. The rally starts. So you know, waiting at, continuing to wait, if that's what you want to do that. But I wouldn't wait, man. I'd just be dollar cost averaging in right now because I think the bottom is gone. I think we've already hit the bottom. And again, guys, it's just my opinion. I'm no expert. I'm no financial analyst. I'm just a guy who has been investing in the stock market for 22 years. And I've won more times than I've lost. And the reason I win is because I just do one simple thing. I buy good blue chip paper assets, stocks, ETFs, index funds, and I hold them. I just hold them long term. I don't buy and sell, buy and sell, buy. I don't do that strategy. I'm not saying anything wrong with that strategy. It's just not the strategy for me. I'm a buy and hold guy. But when I buy, I'm going to buy blue chip, right? I'm going to buy Vanguard S&P 500 VOO. I'm going to buy Vanguard Total Stock Market VTI. I'm going to buy Vanguard Information Technology VGT. When I buy individual stocks, I'm going to buy the big boys. I'm going to buy Apple. I'm going to buy Tesla. I'm going to buy Bank of America. I'm going to buy Wells Fargo. I'm going to buy big, large blue chip companies that have a proven historical performance track record. Now, some of you might say, well, Tesla ain't got no proven performance track record. I beg to differ. Tesla is the leader in its space. The electric vehicle space, Tesla is the leader. And I know Elon Musk, the CEO, has been distracted lately, and that has hurt the stock price. But I think he will get his act together, refocus himself back on Tesla. And when he does that, and this new bull market starts, I'm telling you, man, Tesla's going to the moon, and I'm going to be on the rocket ship. I already got my 800,000 shares of Tesla already. I'm just waiting on it to go to the moon. And I believe it will at some point over the next 3 to 5 years. But I'm a patient investor, guys. I don't mind waiting because I know it'll pay off for me. You got to figure out what type of investor you are. Are you a bandwagon investor? You only want to get on the bandwagon when things are good? Or are you more like me, one of these conservative, consistent, long-term investors, right? I'm not a fair weather investor. I'm not a jumping on the bandwagon when things are good investor. I'm one of these guys, when I find good blue chip paper assets, I buy them and I just hold them and I let them grow in value. It may take a while because, we're in this bear market right now, but like I told you, and this is my opinion, when we get that December CPI report and it shows that inflation is coming down for 3 straight months in a row, that starts the new bull market, man. We're already going to get tomorrow, in my opinion, we're going to get another positive report for November, where it's going to show CPI is going to show inflation is coming down in the month of November. And we already got one for October, right? So if we get 2 months, that's nice. But when we get that third one in January, that's going to be even better because that's when these paper assets I've been buying for the last year are going to start going back up in value. Have a plan together for tomorrow because when them CPI numbers come out tomorrow morning, I believe it's going to be around 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Once they come out and if it's good news that inflation is still coming down, when the market opens, it's going to go crazy. I'm telling you, it's going to go crazy. So if it goes the other direction and it shows inflation is still going up and not coming down, be ready to buy some bargains. Guess what? Be ready to buy some bargains, man, because the market is going to sell off, right? And that's where you want to be ready to buy if we get that bad news, right? The very next day, which is Wednesday, December 14th, the Fed is going to meet for their last meeting in 2022. And based on what the CPI report says on Tuesday, will determine what the Fed do with short-term interest rates on Wednesday and Thursday. That's going to determine it, right? That will determine it. So those are some critical dates coming up, man, this week. Be prepared, be ready to go, have your money ready to invest if we get bad news. And then hopefully over these last 6 months, 8 months, you've been buying paper assets at a discount, hopefully. And then those paper assets you're holding right now, you're going to see a nice little bump in them if we get good news and if we see inflation coming down for the second month in a row. Again, guys, drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about all of this. These two very important dates this week, December 13th and December 14th, two important dates. If you want those 12 free stocks from Webull, click on that link down in the description box, open up that new Webull account, go get that free stock, go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness, never stop believing in yourself, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.